Folks, welcome back to the day 10th of 100 days coding challenge with Python programming. Today we're gonna see a Python programming to find the minimum of three random numbers, integers given by the user. So if you have seen my previous videos, I've been always using this given by user because that's how we have to do in the real world. So let's start. Now see, I'll tell you in brief what we have to do exactly. So let's see, a user has given you three numbers, let's say 1, 2 and 3. Then we have to make a program so that it detects which is the minimum. So now in our case it's 1, so let's get into it. A is equal to, we'll get the integer, okay, integer input. We have to write, enter the number 1. So here, as it says, three random numbers given by the user, we have to put the same thing. I'll just copy paste it, and we have to write B and then your C. We'll just change here number 2 and we'll change here number 3. So this first condition is satisfied, which says three random number given by the user. We have done that, right? So now let's get the first step where we have to find the minimum. So let's consider and assume minimum is equal to A. So if A is minimum, okay, this is the condition we have to. Now if A is greater than B, then minimum is equal to B. Okay. Similar way, we can write if B is greater than C, we can write that minimum is equal to C. This is easy. See, I'll tell you, explain again. Minimum is equal to A, and if A is greater than B, obviously B is minimum because we have assumed that A is already minimum first. Now since A is greater than B, B is also minimum than A. Now let's see. Here minimum is B. Now let's say this second condition, we have said that B is greater than C, then minimum is equal to C, right? And that's it. Now we have to write, see, we have already assigned here minimum. So now print the minimum number of the entered three numbers is, and we have to write here minimum, which is the variable assigned. So now let's print it out. Let's see how it, okay, so first, as you have seen, we took an example previously 1, 2, 3, so let's go with the same thing. 1, 2 and 3. Minimum, see, the minimum number of the entered 3 number is 1. Now let's do it again with some more different numbers. We'll now take a 2 or 3 digits number. Maybe I'll take 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 8, 8, 9 maybe, and then we'll take 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, whatever, then we'll see. See, the minimum number is 55 because 889 is greater, and also 22647 is also greater than it, right? So that's it. We have done the Python programming which says find the minimum of the three random numbers given by the user. If you feel this video is helpful, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.